Hello, welcome back. Truls Moregard has said that seeing Cybershape for the first time was an interesting moment in my life. Cybershape is a racket with a relatively heavy head. So you need to have a loose grip like Truls Moregard. The weight is concentrated on the sweet spot of the racket head to enhance the support when hitting the ball. However, the speed of the shot is required to be very fast, such as hitting on the table and half punching, and the heavy head of the racket will affect the speed of the shot. So this configuration is not very balanced, only suitable for a small number of people. Funny comments. For Truls Moregard, it's the interest moment. For opponent seeing Cyber 6 for the first time, it was a dangerous moment in my life, ha ha ha. Do you want to try more shapes, such as the shape of a boomerang?
First time I looked at it was a funny moment, of course, in my life. I remember it, and I will always remember it for sure. When they bring the idea and when they bring the prototype, it was very funny, and yeah, obviously start to laugh, like many other people did in the beginning, for sure. But I knew also that it was a fantastic idea, and when they started to explain about it, and I started to play a little bit with it, I felt that it was really good. So in the first month, I took a silver medal in the World Championship. So yeah, it just proves that it's a fantastic racket. There is many possibilities with Cybershape. I mean, it's a bigger sweet spot area, so you have more margins to play on when you play table tennis, and that's very, very important. It's a special feeling in the racket because of the shape that makes me, at least, feel the ball better when you play. You feel the blade, you feel the rubber in a better way than what you have with the round rackets. You can also come a little bit deeper into the short balls because of the edges. So I mean, Stiga have really thought well about it, and they have done the racket in a very good way. So I would recommend it to many players out there.
Oh!
I feel fantastic about the brand of Stiga. I mean, I have been with them for a very, very long time, from a child to now, and they have seen my progress. I know that they're very happy with that they signed me, and how I have been to Stiga and how they have been to me. It has been a fantastic collaboration between us two. Fantastic people that works in Stiga, and I've always been very happy to be a Stiga player. It's also a very, very big brand in Sweden, so many possibilities with Stiga, and yeah, I'm very happy to be part of it.
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.